Welcome again to the Cotton Cuts Floral State of America. We are working on Block 2, Pennsylvania, and the state capital is Harrisburg. The statehood is December 12th of 1787. The state bird is the ruffled grouse. The state flower is the mountain laurel. The production they do there is milk, eggs, and poultry. The area is 46,054 square miles. A famous person from Pennsylvania is Billie Holiday. And an interesting fact is that the Lancaster County is known as the pretzel basket of America. Quilt shop to visit is Bird in Hand. So we will be working on the Pennsylvania block. I have my pieces of what I need. They're all, oh, you can't see them, can you? Ha ha ha, you can't see anything. Let's move you down. You know me, this is all live feed. So I'm going to take my piece of paper, I'm going to put my washi tape and have it come over here. And the first thing it's going to have me do is to take my big triangle, and it says I'm going to make 2. And I have exactly what I need to make 2. So I'm coming in here. One and 2. And I am going to start. Of course, everything is 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to start doing this. You know what? I have the fan going because it's pretty warm in here. My hair is going everywhere. So that's the first step. And then I'm going to press that. But I'm going to do some other steps before I press that. I'm going to take my squares here. And we are going to go ahead. And it says to do the white first. And then the other color. So we'll do that. And we are going to do that 4 times. So let's do the white with the floral on top. And we're on 2, 3, and 4. So this is really from June. I'm just starting to get to them right now. And here we go. So I'm actually now going, so I have this long bit and I am going to cut in between. I'm going to use my board here. And now for this, it is saying that we are pressing to the white, the dark to the white. So let's do that on both of them. So we have a big piece like that. We're pressing again the white. Wait a second. Okay, so we're pressing towards the dark on this. I was getting myself all mixed up. Is that right? I have this. This is going, well, here's the white. Oh, wait, here's the white. Oh, I did this wrong. So I have to have to repress these. I'm going to repress these. So I'm going back in. So if this is what I have, right, it says the white is going out. So used to pressing towards the dark. So those who are doing this, there we go. So I have these now. Now what we need to do is take these and we are going to rotate and we are going to stitch. Take this, rotate it, and stitch. I messed everything. Ooh, I see what it's turning out to be. I think this is called Jacob's Ladder, but I'm not. I am not the one who knows every single. So that goes like that. Oh, and then we're popping the seams for this. I really don't know every single name of blocks, but some of them kind of do. I'm popping the seams. So I have 2 of those and 2 of the others. And what it's saying is that we are taking this one and this like that and like that. So look at that. So now I'm going to go ahead and sew this right together, right? And everything matches. Everything is looking good. I say take your time. I love that you just open this up and you just start sewing. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, so it is saying that we are pressing to this side. I'm just going to finger press that. I am going to pop a pin here to keep everything straight. Wow, I'm having all kinds of difficulties popping a pin in. There we go. Go, that's it. So it's saying to pop the seam again, and this you have to snip because I have that little bit there. And so here we go. we have made our Pennsylvania. Again, I will put the card and one of these clips together. So I have Delaware and Pennsylvania. Take my little book here and I will put in my little sheet for Pennsylvania. Right in here to keep these together. And I will see you on another video. So, I'm going to tell, I always end it. The last video I didn't end it, but please take care of yourself. Pass it forward. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I'm trying to get to 2,500 subscribers, and I'm so close. So everyone, take care. Bye.